Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. So, as you can tell by the title, today we are doing some much needed bike work on the CRF250L. We've got some new brakes, a new rear brake a new rear brake lever. We've got just some odds and ends, a couple bolts that I'm missing, like for the exhaust, for the seat. So, really random video today. We've got this box of parts over here, but we're just going to throw everything on, and yeah, figured why not film it, get some more content for the channel. So, hope you guys enjoy this. Alright, so I figure I start with the easiest item first, and that's just this little bolt for the seat. Alright, so this portion is probably like the biggest improvement, and that's just a new shifter lever. I don't know why I keep saying shifter, a new brake lever. You can tell this is super bent in. So this new one is a lot further out. Should be a little bit nicer to have. This is just totally bent in, so let's try and figure out however the hell this works. I love bike work. Alright, so here's the new brake lever. You can see it's like kind of a purplish tint. There's no film on it, which I thought maybe there was, but I don't really care. But you can tell, wow, just look at the difference between these two. Look how bent this thing was. I didn't even realize how bad that was. Wow, that's so bent. But now we've got a nice little correctly formed rear brake pedal. So hopefully this will help with wheelies. All right, now it's time to change out these front brake pads. Let's find the front. Look at these guys. Wow, those are worn. Almost down to the metal. Just like that, new front brake pads are on. I didn't really record a ton because I was just watching this tutorial, but you can see they do in fact work, which is great. So shout out Woodsman Adventures for helping me figure that out, but we just got everything back on. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind when you replace front and rear brakes is there's gonna be no pressure whatsoever because all the fluid has gone into the reservoir. So the first time you push it, it's gonna be nothing. Then you push it a few more times, and now we've got brakes again. But yeah, this is all on. Just take this little dust cover, pop it back in, and now we've got all new rear brake pads. Yeah guys, I'm actually super happy. Jeez, crazy hair. Super happy by how easy all this was. So we got a new rear brake pedal, we got a new bolt for the seat, we got new brakes front and rear. Next up though, we need a new tire, because this thing is getting pretty low, but this will be mint. Excited. Gotta fill up here real quick.
Alright guys, well, I very well could have chosen to end the video here, but I'm better than that. You guys know that, so I figured I'd get you a quick little ride. What I gotta say off the bat is there's like really not a ton of feeling to the rear brake right now. I'm pretty sure that it just takes a little time for it to like correctly seat. So that's probably why I just really got to be careful doing these wheelies. But also, I have this whole new little stick set up here, as you can tell. I hope it gives an even cooler view. I really don't know if it's gonna work or not though, because the GoPro is pretty heavy, and I'm not gonna be surprised if this thing just kind of breaks off. But we'll try it for now, see what it does for us. Yeah, the brake is so low, I need to adjust that too. Yeah, these bumps are totally gonna fuck this thing up, but we'll give it a good college try. All right, you guys already know the deal. Going to Old Faithful. Woo, that's a loud truck. Woo. Yeah guys, the brake change though was actually fairly simple. I was a little bit afraid about having to like remove the brake fluid. Didn't even have to do that, probably just because I'm a little low on brake fluid. But if you guys are worried about doing it at home, it's really not hard at all. I'll link in the description the 2 videos I used to help me figure it out, but it's literally so simple. Like, it took me, I think, maybe an hour, and that's because I was also filming and watching the videos at the same time. So like, if you're not filming, probably could get it all done in like 45 minutes, honestly. Now we're gonna rip a wheelie here. I hope this camera looks cool. It actually can go out a lot further, but I'm just afraid it's gonna snap because it's a pretty cheap setup. Let's hope my rear brake holds up. Whew, I can't see. Gotta get away from the sun real quick. Yeah, this is just gonna flop all around though every time I bring the front wheel down, that's for sure. But let's get to the straightaway here, see what we can't do. I'm just like very scared of this new rear brake, hoping it works fine. What's this? KLX 250. All right, let's do this. All right. This is just not gonna work. Sorry, guys. Well, guys, sorry. Like I said, I tried, and that's all you can ask for, but I don't want this GoPro falling off and or breaking, so this doesn't even fit in the tank bag, so we're just gonna shove it up under here. Let's continue testing these brakes here. Oh, I'm a little scared, guys. I have to push so far down for the brake right now. Why am I going all over the place right now? Really got to watch the rear brake though. All right. Yeah, the reason I'm going all sideways actually is because I feel myself reaching my foot further down, so I'm kind of changing my positioning. When I get home, I'm just gonna have to adjust this, because initially I adjusted it super far down for my boots, but it really didn't go that far down because it was all bent up. So I'm guessing once I go ahead and adjust it back up, it should be fine. Should be a good height. Yeah, I'm literally sitting all funky because of this. So I want to make sure I have my rear brake covered. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go adjust this. I'm not gonna get any good wheelies with a brake down this far low. The brake feel. All right, let's see how it looks now. All right, guys, let's try again. All right, I think we're back now. But let's try and get a good one here. I don't really expect to ride for too long. Yeah, still getting used to these brakes. I'm all wiggly, wobbly today. I don't know why. It's very weird. Just not my best wheelie showcase today, guys. I'm sorry. Can't be amazing every day, I guess. We've really just got to break in these new brakes, I reckon. There we go. I guess he liked it. All right, should we try the secret pathway today? We can try it. All right, I hope I don't regret this. Ooh, I definitely like riding off-road with my boots better than not with my boots, that's for sure. Meant to say my MX boots. Now I'm used to liking my MX boots over the street boots anytime I'm off-road. Protection is just obviously way, way better. Wiggling, waggling all over the place. Probably just getting used to this new shifter, or this new pedal, I guess. Woo!
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me.